Hey guys, it's Yvette. Today I am doing a try on haul. Once again, this one is really exciting to me because I love showing you guys super cheap and affordable pieces that you guys can get that are still good quality. So today I will be sharing with you guys a brand that I have been sharing for a very long time, obviously, and they are Shein. So before I start, thank you to Shein for sponsoring this video. And I wanted to show you guys all of these pieces here because I feel like they're great for back to school because they are super cheap. Like, these shirts get as cheap as $6 and the bottoms are like as cheap as $8. So crazy. So let's just dive right in. And I know that some of the pieces are not very school appropriate, such as like 2 or 3 pieces, but those are some pieces that I picked up just because I wanted to pick them up for like the last of summer. So this shirt is probably one of my favorites from all of the pieces that I got. This just reminds me of Powerpuff Girls and it is just way too cute. It's a baby tee and it fits super nicely. It just really hugs your body and makes it look a lot curvier in my opinion. Pink lining, it's everything. So of course it is cropped. Most of these shirts are cropped. So if you guys do have dress code, you guys can definitely just wear these crop tops with high-waisted pants so you don't see any of your middle area. I honestly don't know why schools trip off of that. I mean, it's just like the tiniest little piece of skin and a little bit of shoulder. Nobody's gagging over a little piece of shoulder. So next piece I got is this black skirt. This is such an essential skirt because it goes with everything. This skirt went with every single top that I got in this haul today, and that's what I really like about these little staple pieces. A lot of these things are staple pieces, so you can just really dress them up and down. You can really wear them for any occasion, but I just thought that this is perfect for back to school since they are super affordable. The slit is still conservative because it doesn't go all the way up. It's just a little bit of a little taste. Of course, I wouldn't wear this to school because it does have a slit, and then of course they'd probably say something. They'd be like, oh my gosh, you're showing like a ½ an inch more of your leg. Now this piece here, of course, this one is like my top one that I chose for you guys to wear back to school. Okay, obviously I'm just kidding, but this one is just really cute. I feel like this is gonna be really cute for like the upcoming season since it is long sleeve, but it is still like airy with the mesh. So this tee is probably like my second favorite out of all the things that I got too because it is just so fun and colorful. It just reminds me of like a candy cane, reminds me of like the 90s. So you got the small little turtleneck and then it is cropped, but it is still like a longer shirt than the other ones. So you can wear that with some high-waisted shorts and call it a day. Now we can't forget the basic tops. So this one is pretty much like a basic black crop top, and then you have 2 butterflies on the boobs. Of course, all of the tops with no sleeves. I would wear this with like a jean jacket over. I used to love doing that in high school when I would have like camis like this. I would just throw on a oversized jean jacket and some high-waisted shorts, pants, and it would look super cute. So, and now this one is definitely a staple in your closet. This is something that you need. This is like some really good like Topshop quality. It has 2 layers, so it's not see-through, and then the cords for the straps are really thick and super durable. And now this top, so cute. This is one of those end of summer tops that I picked up, and it's just very pretty. Like, it just sparkles everywhere in the sun, or in the light I should say. And then in the back it just clips like a bra, so this is pretty much just like a bralette top. And now here I have this top with angels. Comment down below if you guys remember this exact picture, guys, because I'm Mexican and my aunt used to have this all over the place. I remember when I was little, she said that I would always stare at this painting, and I don't know what it was about this specific picture, but something about it just always drew me in. It was like these 2 little angels just kind of like staring at each other. And now this one is a little twist on your everyday red cami. So this is like the color right here. It's like a reddish orange. It's like my favorite type of red. So it crisscrosses in the back like this, as you guys can see. I don't know what it is about Shein's crops, but these that I picked up this round are extra thick, and before they were a little bit thinner. It just really depends on which one you pick up, but these here are pretty dang thick. They're not see-through, and this one just really hugged me. This one is a little bit on the shorter side of a crop, but if you guys, like I said, if you guys do have high-waisted pants, high-waisted anything, then this should probably cover it up. And now this color here, how pretty is it, guys? So it's just this little top right here. It's one of like these cordy type tops, so this one might be a little bit risky, but if you guys do have like a cardigan over it, it should be just fine. So this is what it looks like. This mint color I have been obsessing with, guys. It's so pretty, especially for the summertime. And oh my gosh, and when you have a tan, unbeatable combo. Then here we have this blue little cami. This is probably one that you can't get away with at school because it does kind of go into like a little bit of a V. And now I know a lot of you guys are going to like this one. This one is just another tube top and it has butterflies all over it. It's a very colorful top. It's always really cute to play around with different patterns, especially at school, because school as it is can be not the most fun. For some reason, whenever I have a good outfit on, my day is like 10 times better. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. My camera freaking died, so you guys are going to have this completely different quality. I just have a few more little items that I want to show you guys. So next up is this green skirt that I was showing you guys before my camera rudely decided to freaking die. But this skirt is tieable on the side. It does have some buttons that you have to latch on and then you tie it up. Super pretty color. You can honestly just wear this with any plain cami top and a jean jacket over and you'll look super freaking cute. So these next three items are sets. These are the type of fits that I would always go to wearing after school. I always like to be in super comfy lounging clothes, things that are very stretchy and comfortable. So these are the ones for you guys. I would always like to take super long naps after a long day at school. And you can honestly wear this one that I'm going to show you guys right now to school, but this is probably something that's a little too bright in my opinion. So these are the pants and the top. It's just a neon green yellow set, so nothing fancy. I thought this little set here was adorable for after school. So you have like these rainbow shorts. These are very stretchy, comfy, and they're very form-fitting, so they just feel like really nice. And then this set, I thought it was pretty funny, so I just thought that I should pick it up. So it's this top that says ABCDE F off, and it's just like a funny little top, but then the back is yellow. And then the shorts is probably like not honestly my cup of tea, but I would wear it like if I'm just lounging around. So these are the yellow shorts. I feel like they're a little bit long and they could be a little bit more fitted. And then these last three items, I unfortunately couldn't try them on just because one of them is a little scandalous. This was one of the pieces that I picked up just for the end of summer. So this top just didn't fit me, so I'm very sad. I would get this one in a size medium if you guys do have like more of the chest area, because this was kind of hard to put on. This one doesn't have too much stretch except for the straps. This one is super cute, so I'm really excited. But it's just like this red vine type heart ruffly top, super cute. It gives me like such a cute little aesthetic vibes. Then there's this bikini. Look at how cute this is. I'm sure that you guys have seen this all over the place. The straps here aren't the stretchiest, and then the top is exactly the same. It just has the clear strapping. The cool thing about this clear strapping is that you don't get tan lines because the sun goes through it. And lastly, I really want to wear this before summer ends, guys. It's so cute. It's this hot pink mesh dress and it just goes all the way down. Just imagine wearing that white bikini under, and then this, it would just be such a look. That is all for my haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are planning on getting any of these items, let me know in the comments down below. Also, do not forget to use my code, which will be on the screen and down below. Also, all of the items that I showed you guys will be linked down below just for your convenience and just to make it a lot easier on you guys. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.